The wait is finally over, and the air is thick with anticipation because the camera we have all been dreaming about is no longer a ghost in the rumor mills. For years, the Fujifilm X-PRO series has been the soul of the photography world, a bridge between the tactile, nostalgic past and the high-speed digital future, but the gap between the X-PRO 3 and what comes next has felt like an eternity. Today, we are diving deep into everything we know, everything we suspect, and the leaked reality of the Fujifilm X-PRO 4 in 2026. This isn't just a camera update. It is a statement of intent from Fujifilm to the purists who refuse to let the art of the still image die in a world obsessed with video specs. If you have ever felt that spark when holding a rangefinder, if you have ever craved a tool that disappears in your hand and lets you see the world through a hybrid viewfinder that feels like magic, then you know why the X-PRO 4 is the most important release of the decade. We are looking at a complete overhaul of the sensor technology, moving into a realm of resolution that rivals medium format, while keeping that iconic, slim, street-ready profile. The rumors suggest a 40-megapixel X-Trans 5HR sensor paired with an X-Processor 5 that doesn't just process data. It interprets light with a level of organic texture we haven't seen since the days of actual 35mm film. Think about the feeling of the shutter click. Fujifilm knows that for an X-PRO user, the haptics are everything. The leaked reports indicate a refined titanium build that solves the durability issues of the past, while introducing a new DuraTouch finish that feels like a vintage Leica, but performs like a modern workstation. But let's talk about the elephant in the room, the screen. The hidden LCD of the X-PRO 3 was polarizing, a love-it-or-hate-it design choice that forced you to stay in the moment. For 2026, Fujifilm has listened to the community, and the word on the street is a revolutionary trifold mechanism that stays hidden for the purists but provides full articulation for the modern hybrid shooter. It is the best of both worlds, ensuring that whether you are shooting street at hip level or composing a complex architectural shot, the camera adapts to you, not the other way around. This camera is being built for the storytellers who find beauty in the shadows. The low-light performance is whispered to be 2 full stops better than its predecessor, meaning the grain you see at ISO 6400 isn't digital noise. It's a cinematic texture that adds soul to your frames. Imagine walking through the streets of New York or Tokyo at midnight, the neon lights reflecting in the rain, and knowing your X-PRO 4 can capture the exact mood without a tripod. The inclusion of in-body image stabilization in a body this thin was thought to be impossible, but 2026 technology has caught up. We are looking at up to 7 stops of compensation, packed into a chassis that remains remarkably lightweight. This changes the game for street photographers who live for the decisive moment. You no longer have to choose between a compact kit and a stable one. And then there are the film simulations. Fujifilm is reportedly introducing Reala Ace in a brand new Heritage Chrome simulation exclusively for the X-PRO 4 launch, designed to mimic the high-contrast, deep shadow look of 1970s street photography. This is about more than just megapixels. It's about the color science that makes people stop scrolling. When you post an image from his camera, people don't ask what settings you used. They ask how you captured that feeling. The X-PRO 4 is also rumored to feature an upgraded hybrid viewfinder that boasts a 5.76 million OLED panel, making the transition between optical and electronic smoother than ever. The clarity is so intense it feels like looking through a window, yet with a flick of a switch, you have all the digital overlays, focus peaking, and exposure data you need. This is the ultimate tool for the zen of photography. It's about slowing down in a fast-paced world. But don't let the vintage looks fool you. The autofocus system is powered by the latest AI-driven subject detection. It can track eyes, animals, birds, and even the subtle movements of a cyclist in a crowded street with surgical precision. It's the brain of a professional sports camera inside the body of a classic masterpiece. For those of you who have been holding onto your X-PRO 2 or struggling with the quirks of the X-PRO 3, the X-PRO 4 is the upgrade you have been waiting for. It is the culmination of a decade of feedback, engineering, and passion. It's not just a tool, it's an extension of your eye. As we move closer to the official launch date, the excitement is reaching a fever pitch because this might be the last truly pure camera we ever see. In an era of AI-generated imagery and smartphone computational photography, the X-PRO 4 stands as a monument to the craft of taking a real photograph. Stay tuned as we break down every single leak spec, every hands-on report from the field testers, and why this camera is set to become the most sought-after piece of gear in the US and European markets this year. This is the future of photography, and it looks beautifully familiar.